Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all tweets from Twitter. First of all, of course, you will need a Twitter application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through App Store if you are using an iPhone or Play Store if you're using Android. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, just log in and let's get straight to it. So first of all, we just launch Twitter. After that, all we would like to do is just click at your profile at the top left corner. Then, as you can see here, if you go to your profile, you will see all the tweets or the retweets that you already posted on your profile. So as you said, first of all, if you want to delete all the tweets, as you can see here, we don't have this option here on the phone. So if you want to delete, maybe you have maybe thousands of tweets. If you want to delete, of course, if you can just click on three dots here and click at delete the tweet. But let's say, for example, you have a lot or several tweets and you want, of course, you don't want to go through all of that one by one. So if you are using a phone, you don't have this option on Twitter, but you can do this. All you need to do, just go back and head to your phone browser. After going to your browser, all you need to do, just type tweet and delete. After that, wait until it loads. So as you can see here, just click at the first link, tweet delete. So here, all you need to do is just sign in with your Twitter. Just click at the blue icon. Then all you need to do here is just type your username and password. Maybe if you want to remember your account, just click and check remember me. So let me just do that real quick and I'm going back to you. After typing your things, it will redirect you here. So as you can see here, tweet, delete up to 3,200 of your most recent tweets. So there's a limitation. So as you can see, you cannot delete more than that. So let's just go back. As you can see here, you have the option to be a premium user, so you can delete the whole tweet history after uploading their tweet data file. So all you need to do here, just type your Twitter account, then age of tweets, maybe do here whatever you want. So if you want all your tweets, just go here and type and select all my tweets, only tweets containing this word or phrase. We don't want that, we want all my tweets. So run this task once only, then do I have read and agree, and then delete my tweets. So here all we need to do, just wait a bit. As you can see here, complete checked 6 and deleted 6. So here, if we go back to our Twitter, and as you can see, if we refresh, it will still here. But let's just go out and reopen Twitter. As you can see now, if you go to your profile, now maybe you will find this tweets still here. But if you did not find your tweets deleted, don't panic, just wait maybe 10 or 20 minutes and it will be all deleted. Because as you can see here at the top under your username, we have 0 tweets. So maybe that's just a bug you have on Twitter like me or something. But if you just refresh, maybe after 30 minutes or something like that, you will find your tweets are gone. Or maybe nobody can see them, it's just you. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.